So in this Robinhood tutorial video, I will be showing you how to deposit money into your account on Robinhood. So once Robinhood is opened up, I want you guys to go to the bottom right and select on the human icon or the profile icon. Once that is done and you're on this screen right here, I want you to go to where it says transfer money, deposits, withdrawals, transfer limits. Go ahead and select that option. Once that option is selected, it says deposit. Simply go ahead and select that. It'll then bring you to this screen right here where you can go ahead and type in the amount of money that you want to deposit. So for example, if I wanted to do $10, I would type in $10. Once that is done, you can go ahead and press continue. Then once you're on this page right here, because I am in Canada, this will be in the form of an e-transfer. So it'll show you where it's from, where it's to. The $10 will be deposited to your Robinhood account once your Interact e-transfer is complete. Then go to the bottom, press deposit, and then proceed that way. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to deposit money into your account on Robinhood. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.